Hello! Today we'll be making the viral potato with beans and tuna. Stay tuned for actual food. Oi! Get out of me video! Make sure to wash your spuds. I learned that you could put salt on food the other day. Isn't that grand? You'll gotta get a fork license for this next step. Only needs 20 permits to get. Leave in the oven for one big bang bong. Cutting your spud, scoop out the innards, and add your English cheddar. Isn't that marvelous? Open your finest can of British tuna and beans. Me non taught me a proper English meal always uses Heinz, but the bean tax has hit us quite hard this year. Oh, that aroma that fills the room. Oh, reminds me of the Queen, God rest her soul. Add a tad of beans and plop your tuna right on there. Can you believe they used to give this for free in prisons? Feel free to add more salt if you need any more flavor. It's hard to get a hold of these ingredients since this is so viral. America's gotta save the day again. What? Get this food off my screen.
America, fuck yeah! Coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah! America, fuck yeah! Freedom is the only way, yeah! Terrorists, your game is through, 'cause now you have to answer to America, fuck yeah! So lick my butt and suck on my balls, America, fuck yeah! What you gonna do when we come for you now?
At least we get free health care. At least we go to the dentist. Well, at least our schools aren't shooting galleries.